Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is the gift I gave to my team members who were out in Germany, in Dortmund, for OnStage Live recently. There were 45 of us out there, so I made a little gift for everybody. I do have the bag full of them because obviously I'm filming this before going, so there's a lot of them in there. In my favourite bag in the world. Yes, I might have got a bag with my logo on it, but this bag is huge. It's got a great bucket bottom on it, and it's full of all these goodies for everybody. I'm going to show you what I've got inside and how I put them together. And the reason why I don't have extra decoration on the outside is because they all had to go in that bag, and they all had to come with me. So, okay, so they are pillow boxes. We've got the most amazing collection of pillow boxes, or we've got a collection that includes these spotty pillow boxes, and I thought, you know what, I've got a lot to make, so I'm going to use those. They're easy to transport. Inside is a little chocolate for each of them, and then, as you know, I do a recognition reward system with my team that includes vouchers where they can earn £5 vouchers for sales, recruiting, for leadership, for promotion. So the higher the promotion, the more they get, for anniversaries, for all sorts. There's loads. I think there's about 15 different things, and so I gave them all £10 worth of vouchers. And for my European team, they know that one voucher is equal to €6. So I gave them all that because, you know, as demonstrators, we get to pre-order product, and I thought it would be really nice for them to have some vouchers to use as well. So, and then wrapped on the outside with chocolate on the inside and a beautiful ribbon, and we are good to go. So super easy. This paper is 3 by 6 inches, so it's 7.5 by 15 centimeters. That is the exact fit. As you wrap it round, it is an exact fit, and I decided not to do it that little bit more. I actually just decided to do 3 by 6, and then I could maximize the amount of paper to do everybody's. I folded it in half, and actually I used snail on one half of that centre hinge, because I'm calling it a hinge because I reckon that's what it is. Slide it up, and I did this in front of the TV one evening. Slide it up, wrap it round. That's that bit done, and yes, it's open on one side, but that's okay. And then some ribbon, and I ran out of gold, so I went with this colour, which is part of, I want to say, the Night Before suite. I don't remember, but it's cherry cobbler and shimmer. And tied a pretty square knot, which I don't think I'm going to manage successfully now. No, askew if not. So that's the first half done. So I made all of these one evening, and I've got these little plastic fridge bins in my office, and so when I'm working on thank you cards and team things like this, where it's going to be taking a few evenings, I wander around with my fridge bins. They fit perfectly inside. And then the chocolate, so green and blacks, yummy, yummy, yummy. Piece of paper that's 2 by 4, so it's the same Christmas time suite, and just wrap it. And actually Jack did this for me one night. He's one of my sons, and he wanted to earn some money. I think he wanted to buy a new top, something like that, and I said, Jack, off you go, you're wrapping everything for me. And he went, yeah, okay, Mum, and did it. And then there were 3 chocolates left over, so, you know, that was his extra reward. So 3 by 2, I probably could have got away, sorry, 4 by 2 inches, which is 10 by 5 centimeters. Probably could have got away with 3.5, but I went for ease of cut. And wrap it round, and then at the point that I discovered that that I'd run out of ribbon, I thought, that's okay, they won't mind not having ribbon. And then £10 worth of vouchers inside, and then close it up and pop it in my bag with the rest. And I love them, and I hope the girls liked them, because, you know, we're seeing this video after I've handed them out. and enjoyed a chocolate. So, don't forget, join my team and you can come to our next event. It's in a very, very special place in May. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.